Hello, my name is Lady Arteaga. I am studying licenciatura en inglés. Today I am going to talk to you about my favorite song. My favorite song is from the movie Titanic. Next I will read a part of this song. My heart will go on. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you go on, far across the distance and spaces between us. You have come to show you go on, near, far, wherever you are. I believe that the heart does go on. Once more you open the door, and you're here in my heart. In my heart will go on and on. Love can touch us one time and last for a lifetime, and never let go till we're on. Love was when I loved you. One your time I'll hold you in my life will always go on. Thank you.